Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Mother.
I mean, when you said you wanted to make this a bit, Jacob, I was like, really, this seems like an edgy bit, but you know what? You're an entertainer. I don't want to tell you how to live your life. You know.
Yeah.
No, I legitimately keep forgetting about my mic. I'm like, I'm on a stage. I'm just going to yell.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Engineering has made you an offer.
And I have finally broke engineering, and they have put up on the they have put it up on the screen. Just leave it on. We'll handle it for you now.
Yeah. 125 hours. Somebody put that in the spreadsheet.
That's what you do to your friends when it's like, oh yeah, no, I'll totally help you pack. Mm-hmm. Oh, I broke 18 dishes. I guess I can't help you pack anymore. Darn.
Aw, look at
Man, and then this morning I gave myself a pep talk in the mirror. That was like, and you're not gonna forget your mic today, are you? No, you're not.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
I mean, we have all forgotten it a dozen times. Like,
yeah, I forget it all the time.
I hate to break this to you. What I started doing, and what I typically do now, is I actually just leave it on all the time, and I assume engineering will handle it for me. And the thing is, I don't talk. Unless, like, you know, like I try to, like, if I'm not talking for a while and I know I'm not going to talk for a while, I'll turn it off or something like that. Except today, I was like, no, I'm going to try to do it, and immediately I forgot to turn it on, and I had it off entirely for my time-filling bit. So I was like, God damn it, I shouldn't have trusted myself. I shouldn't have tried.
Never try.
Hubris.
I do absolutely adore the, like, trying to, while someone's in the middle of doing a bit, trying to turn on their mic without interrupting their flow.
Oh man, the one you had yesterday where you gave Jacob a hug.
Oh my god,
that was so good.
See, because I'm used to, you know, like on sets and things like that. You know, there's like faraway booms and you project and.
Yeah, you just belt it.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Which is really embarrassing for somebody who makes his living behind a microphone.
I mean, like, we also did that for years before we started in on these lab mics.
Mm-hmm.
Ah.
Yeah,
So if you think about it, it's the children who are wrong.
What?
It's a Simpsons reference.
All right, you know, that's fair.
I'm actually going to feed this through here.
So we've only got a couple more minutes.
Yeah.
What would you like to do before?
Is there anything that you would like us to do?
Yeah, is there anything the chat wants us to do? Anything?
Let me search for your names. And make sure I don't. How about I spell Skylar right? That'll help me as well.
I don't know if anyone in the chat's
got an A in it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What?
That's good.
Not a booster update. He fixed that for you.
Thank you, Lunsford.
That's pretty great.
Please don't die.
Oh man.
Are you dying? Are you okay?
Oh, that's excellent. No, I'm fine. Everything's okay. Oh lordy.
According to LizReal64, an actual child looked at that and went, no.
Don't like that.
Oh man.
Not my favorite.
Yeah.
Not my favorite.
All done. Mike and Skylar, you have 3 minutes. I don't have any, like, very, like, I've got sort of, like...
Thank you for allowing us to come north over the border and help entertain the youths.
We very much appreciate you coming to visit, and we very much appreciate your generous donation with that law.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah, that was fun.
How did the betrayal, the signed betrayals do last night?
A lot.
Oh, sweet.
Well, because that was the one that they were running during the lip sync thing, right?
No, it was the one that was
we
going
did the
during...
Thorn Watch during lip sync.
Yeah, we did
Thorn Watch. That raised like 3,900. I don't know that I ever found out what the betrayal one did.
Yeah, the betrayal went during Zeta, but
we can find out. We can find out for you.
I think that was Wizards Donation anyways.
But it was great. It was great. And
basically, shoot me a message after the round. I'll get you number.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Yeah. Numbers aren't made up.
Numbers aren't made up. But yeah, thank you for having us and hanging out.
We appreciate it.
We're gonna go to the United States of America now.
Yeah.
Joe, we're having a moment out here.
Something broke Joe.
Why did we break Joe?
I think I saw dog coming from that direction, so I don't know if that was it.
Yeah.
Well,
If you're wondering, it's always, almost always Joe saw a dog. But
Yeah. What was it today?
Listen, Jacob, I love you, but you could have muted yourself for that.
I burped into the microphone.
You said you'd take care of it.
That's nice.
I can't detect those things until it's too late.
that's true. But I mean, like, a burp sneaks up on everyone. It's not like, you know.
Sweet.